If I press a button on this one, we'll go ahead and open the lock here. Let's see. So I press the button. 1, 2, 3. Cool. I can close this.
Cut it out last time sitting over here. I mean, it was a full
You want a glass
board,
one?
so they cut it and saw down to be like a door
If you can publish a hazard bit without
short
our
kids
data.
or something. What the board like that? Yeah.
So basically we
Hope you're
have
gonna use a lock or something.
I have the interface over here.
Uh-huh.
Which is the wireless which we have
You hacked it. Existing one.
we
Yeah.
have the different type. So the magnet takes the brake.
Sean, yeah, there's a. You said you switched to that. Yeah.
So it's like it's the same concept as this, right? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So you
And there are lights that
Okay.
Ours worked like first try for the wind direction on our end, and I was not expecting it.
That's good. And I was.
Yeah, I have all this
decisive
stuff
what
working at
direction
home. And
all your data
it
was
is
being
not
updated.
trivial to get it
That's
to
pretty
all
cool.
work with like 99.9% probability, especially the wireless. It is it's not easy to get it all running. So yeah.
so I'll join the server right now. By
Okay.
clicking the
Very good. And some point it will say that join.
It accepted the message.
Okay.
I mean,
Now I'm joined. Now if I enter the correct pin, that will send saying the wire, saying the pin is correct.
Okay.
And the bridge will publish the
Okay.
topic saying it is
Unlock.
correct.
Yeah. Okay.
The rule team will catch it and publish back to the
Okay.
door command.
So the rule team is ready on this one too.
Now let's use the one with the capacitors.
Are you ready on the rules team to get a pin number and send the lock command or whatever? Okay.
But I'm not
I
relying
donated every
Okay.
single. Okay. Yeah, I donated. This is my third red board. Not because I've ever broken them. They just keep getting donated into my project.
Okay.
Like my Minute 2 project. I donated.
So you're just gonna use it here.
Yeah.
You're gonna just type. Okay.
and
So,
the
okay.
bridge will see what the value of the
I like to have
block is,
this-
and then we will
Okay.
interact. I'm
Okay.
not relying on rule because of
Okay. You just mentioned rules, so that's why I was curious. Yeah.
Yeah, I missed Walsh's class by like a semester.
That's our pin. So the interrupt is set up now, and then in our frame time, you'll send door pin 1.
Yeah, there's some cool stuff.
Okay, now it's our frame time. You just send, we receive it,
Yeah, yeah.
and now we open it.
And now I open the door, so you send the command. Okay.
Opens up the door.
Good
And
deal.
Now, if I, it also says, well, on the frame time, it will also send the open status, and it will also publish to the MQTT.
Okay. And if you manually turn the thing, it'll send the status saying it's locked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then let me wait until it sends open status. Okay, so it sends open status in our frame time.
Okay.
I think it's cool as long as we can. And now I lock it.
And you'll see the closed status go through.
So I lock it.
It drops to a hopper.
Now on my frame time, it will send the lock status.
Is that topic the door status?
Door status, yeah.
But I'm not connected to it.
Oh, you're not connected to them at the
Door
moment?
closed, door command set.
Okay.
And it also published basically.
Okay.
And now the time for break-in. So if we
Okay. So you did the keypad. You chose not to do the RFID, and then.
our
Just buy.
team is a
Everything
different
buy.
team.
Okay.
So they will publish same to the door pin.
Okay. But which team are you on? Team 13 then?
With 13, yeah.
Okay. So there was no RFID on 13.
Okay, this is how it's supposed to be.
Okay. And who did the door with the RFID?
I think it was.
Wonder what team number though?
Oh, cool.
Okay, yeah, I do see it being updated.
It was updated last hour.
Oh, last hour. Okay.
Let me see the actual thing. So I'm connected to. Wait, I don't. Wait.
I think it's 16.
Okay.
16 is it?
Mailbox.
Okay.
That's me.
Did I have them numbered on the PDF?
The which one?
Were they numbered in the PDF I sent? Okay.
Are we transmitting on the same
Wait, no, that's an app. That's a subscribe.
There were 17 total, right? Or were there 18, but we got rid of the last team and combined
It's
the
only for mailbox. I
17?
don't see anything about doors.
Are we on the same frame?
Let's see, what was
like, do I
15?
need to change frames?
No, he subscribed to a door page, but he never sent a published message for doors. Give us
That's the RFID.
Oh, RFID was 17? 15. Okay. Which one was what was
Looks like it's
16
still
then?
going strong.
Dog door. Okay.
I'm getting it from mailbox, but I don't see any.
Okay. And how about 17?
Web scraper.
I also see one for.
And then what was 18?
Oh, it got something door. Door status.
Firewall. And so what happened? I think that we got rid of team 17.
Yeah, I want to close.
Awesome.
Okay. Because I think the person moved to team firewall, the extra person on there too. Okay, good.
I'll close it now. See the.
You guys are ready?
Okay, very good. Okay, who is next? Thank y'all.